Video on cybersecurity and ethical hacking. Let's dive into the essentials of protecting yourself online. Part 1. What is cybersecurity? Cybersecurity is all about protecting your data, devices, and accounts from hackers. Think of it like locking your house to keep it safe. Online, this means securing your phone, Instagram account, bank details, and more. Part 2. What is ethical hacking? Ethical hacking involves testing systems with permission to find and fix weaknesses. It's like a police officer thinking like a thief to catch one. Ethical hackers think like hackers but for good purposes, such as securing systems and preventing cyber attacks. Part 3. Types of hackers. Not all hackers are bad. There are different types. Black hat hackers. Illegal hackers who steal data and target money and passwords. White hat hackers. Ethical hackers working for companies to improve security. Grey hat hackers. Sometimes legal, sometimes not, but not always with bad intentions. Script kiddies. Beginners using ready-made tools, potentially dangerous. Part 4. How to protect yourself. Here are some tips to protect yourself. 1. Use strong passwords, like Madavan at 2026. 2. Avoid clicking unknown links in messages. 3. Never share your OTP, even with banks. 4. Be cautious with public Wi-Fi. 5. Keep your apps and phone updated. 6. Identify fake calls that ask for personal information. Ending. Remember, cybersecurity is not just a skill. It's a life protection system. Stay tuned for more on real hacking methods and tools. And always, think before you click.